Now we're using Be My AI.
Blue button. Oh, it's processing. Let's see. We took a picture. It says, the picture shows a cozy bedroom setting. The main focus is a bed with a wooden frame. The bed has a gray patterned comforter and a couple of pillows. Under the bed, there's a built-in storage unit with drawers. On the right side of the bed, there's a small wooden nightstand with a modern black lamp that has a round white shade. The wall behind the bed is painted in a dark green color. Hit the blue. And now it's taking a picture. It's processing the picture. The picture shows a cozy living room setting. In the foreground, there is a white coffee table with a small Christmas tree on top. The Christmas tree is in a red pot and is decorated with red and green ornaments. Next to the tree, there's a small figurine of Santa Claus holding a sack. The coffee table is rectangular and has two gray storage baskets underneath. There is a price tag on the table that reads $14.99.